got a box of stuff. Hopefully it's what I think it is. It is. It's my vegan sausage. Check it out. This is one of my brands that I get a lot of vegetarian foods here in China. So they order these from me. I used to eat this a lot. And I'm so grateful. Look how many there are. Oh yeah. I got a hole in my mouth, but I'm still going to have a little bit of one because I haven't had it so long, this flavor. It's good to eat just as is or to cook it. My sausage. I like to cut this and put it into my soups and noodles and stuff, but anyway, now just going to eat it as is. This isn't the spicy one. I like the spicy one, but it's still good. I decided I'm going to eat some sausage and cake. This is my pre-birthday cake. Mango and vegan flavor, that's what they got for me. Sausage and cake, that's what I'm having for a snack.